Hi, this is Kaito from Kochi Tourist Information Center.
This is Keita.
So today we are here at Forest Adventure KOCHI. This is a place where you can enjoy ziplining and this beautiful mountain. So we are going to experience how fun this place is and show it to you. So this place, Forest Adventure KOCHI, is in the town called Tsuno town, which is roughly 2 hours from the city by car. Other things you can do in Tsuno town is visiting Shikoku Forest. It's a beautiful place. You can enjoy nature in Tsuno town. So let's go try the zip lining. Yay! So we get to choose which gloves to use, and I choose green, the fanciest color. They let us use these for free. So I have my coffee in my hand, so I'm going to use this drink holder. Ta-da! Ta-da! There's also like a bag, shoulder bag.
So we have to put like phones or keys or something in the bag.
If you take a photo of Forest Adventure KOCHI and post it on Instagram or other social media with hashtag Forest Adventure KOCHI, you can have this sticker.
So what are you doing?
Looking for like heart.
Kite! I found it.
So supposedly this is the shape of heart. In one course, there's 25 of this.
Wow, 25.
So we're gonna try to find all 25 hearts.
Can we do this?
No. But we're gonna try.
Yeah, let's try.
水のところ見てください。
ああ、そういう感じ Like that?
My first slide,
Right.
first zip lining. Here we
Oh, めっちゃ too short.
Here I go. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's kind of scary.
Oh yeah?
Oh.
Look at
Oh,
this.
oh, oh!
You landed with your back. There you go.
Here I go! Am I doing it right?
I think so.
Again, backwards! Go backwards!
下手くそやな。
事故やん。
Look at his back.
どうやって渡ればいいですか？
おっ
おおおおおお you look like Mamushi.
母さん。
hazard. いいね。おい。Great.
Too smooth.
Yeah. So you need to switch again.
Another switch. Whoop.
そっから。
いいよ頑張って
So what are you gonna do? Just pull. Yeah. いやめっちゃカメラ目線や。めっちゃカメラ目線。
Oh yeah, so I was saying height, but it's supposed to be length. 160.
Wow.
Here I go. Woo-hoo!
最高やん。めっちゃ。
まだ体力残ってますか
Yes.
大丈夫
Okay, so we are going to next one. Adventure 4 and 5.
85.
85.
Here we go.
Wee.
One-handed. Ooh. One-handed. Ooh. どういったらいい？Mr. Sasagaki.
I'm gonna be 1000.
In 3.
おー！わっしゃい！わっしゃい！跳ね返りやば！跳ね返りうえい！あーやばいな！
すみません、辞退します。今の見たら怖い。
やってこれめっちゃ怖いで。Oh man, you're scared. 頑張って。
3, 2, 1.
やば。めっちゃおもろい。いいね。How was it? How was it?
It was terrifying and tiring at the same time.
So let's try slackline.
Huh?
Huh?
Smooth, huh?
오케이. そんな座らないか Stand up. You don't have to sit. So, kite. 310 meters.
Sounds easy, man.
Sounds easy? Really?
Sounds easy.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Here I go. Woo! Hey! Woo! Hey! Ah! Woo! Look at you! Woo! Hey! Woo! Hey! Woo! Yeah! Oh! perfect.
That's cool, man. So it was windy, right? Yeah, kinda. So, guys, next one is
85.
last one.
Our last dance.
Yeah, last dance.
Final dance.
So before we do last zip line, Grandpa's crossing.
Grandpa's crossing.
Grandpa's?
Grandpa. Grandpa's crossing.
Where's my?
Go. Let's nail it.
Let's nail it. Let's go to the last zip line. Woo!
3, 2, 1. Here I go. Woohoo! Hey! Up, woo!
You okay? Yeah, we did it.
All right, so we just finished all the zip lining.
Yay!
How was it, Keita?
I'm tired, man. But it was fun, so much fun.
We were lucky we could do under this weather condition. So beautiful day, surrounded by beautiful nature. It was so fun. We will definitely come back again, Forest Adventure Kochi.
Yeah.
Well done. We will see you again in Forest Adventure Kochi. Bye.
Bye. Huh.
これ成功させない。ガラス。
そうで。
はい。ありがとうございました。ありがとうございました。